For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A journalist from Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad was shot by unknown assailants on Monday night, succumbed to his injuries. The journalist, identified as Vikram Joshi, was attacked while he was returning from his sister's place on a motorcycle. He was returning with his two daughters when a group of men opened fire at him. The shocking attack was caught on CCTV camera, which shows a group of men attacking the journalist. The victim received a bullet injury on his head and was in a critical condition when he was brought to the city's Yashoda Hospital in Ghaziabad, which is where he breathed his last. Senior Superintendent of Police Kalanidhi Naithani said 9 persons have been arrested, including 2 main accused, Ravi and Chotu.
जानलेवा हमला हुआ था, उसका मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया। रात भर में 6 टीमें गठित की गई थी। सीसीटीवी फुटेज प्राप्त किए गए। सीसीटीवी फुटेज और अन्य साक्ष्यों के आधार पर अभियुक्तों की धरपकड़ की गई, जिसमें कुल 9 अभियुक्त हम लोगों ने पूरी रात भर में गिरफ्तार किए, जिसमें से जो मुख्य अभियुक्त छोटू था और रवि थे। ये जो 2 मेन थे, रवि जिसने प्लानिंग की थी और छोटू जिसने गोली चलाई थी, दोनों को भी गिरफ्तार किया गया। उसी में जो इनका जो अवैध तमंचा था, उसको भी बरामद किया गया है।
A compensation of 10 lakh rupees was announced by the state government to the family of the journalist. A family member of the victim also said that the government had agreed to take care of the victim's children's education.
तो सरकारी नौकरी उन्होंने कर दिया है डीएम जी ने।
कितने बच्चे हैं?
3 बच्चे हैं, बीबी है, भाई है, माँ है, सब साथ में रहते हैं। 2 बेटी और 1 बेटा है उनका। तो उन तीनों की पढ़ाई है। बच्चे हैं, एक है 8 साल की, 5 साल की और एक 2 साल का।
The victim's family members affirmed that he was attacked by miscreants after he complained to the cops about his niece being harassed by some men. A group of journalists held a protest against the murder of journalist Vikram Joshi in Ghaziabad. The journalists staged a sit-in protest outside the hospital this morning. Some protesters even refused to allow the officials concerned to take Vikram Joshi's body for post-mortem earlier today. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi seized the opportunity to take a dig at the ruling Yogi Adityanath government in the state. Journalist Vikram Joshi was killed for protesting against the harassment of his niece. My condolences to the bereaved family. The promise was of Ram Raj, but Gunda Raj has been given. The TMC chief and Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also hit out at the UP government, saying voices are being muzzled in the UP.
My heartfelt condolences to the family of Vikram Joshi, a fearless journalist who passed away today. He was shot in Uttar Pradesh for filing an FIR to book his niece's molesters. An atmosphere of fear has been created in the country. Voices being muzzled. Media not spared. Shocking.
Several other politicos, including Mayawati and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, also lashed out at the Yogi government, saying even the voice of media is being muzzled under the current government.